You're right. Everything I write, you're right. Okay. So. Word and letter. So you have to be smart, okay? Okay. So you see here, you see letters or words.
Put your hand up.
Yes?
Okay, thank you.
You're sure?
Yes, because what is a letter is like A, B, in Greek, grammar, vector, this one.
I don't write anything for the moment.
Do you mean like the word?
Yes? I mean what? Yes?
I don't know.
Is a letter? Is a word? For the moment it's nothing. For the moment. Okay? It's structure. Write this, just to understand what I meant. So, how many fingers in one hand? Yes, correct. It's okay. Is correct?
Yeah. Six. Yep.
So, in fact, it's never correct. Never.
Wait, what? With what?
In one hand, you can have 5 fingers, but you can have 5 fingers with no hand. Okay?
Yeah.
If I cut my fingers, I put them here. It will be 5 fingers, no? So, you see the difference? Taste of tears. That's a You're sure? It's not for a few minutes, you know? Okay, so, what is the idea? I want to study this word, structure. So, for example, yes, word, letter, okay. So, hand, fingers, structure. So, I want to show you something. For example, what do you see here? Yes. What? A plain box. If it's a plane, it's not a box.
I see a square.
Square, for example. This is the same thing. Now, it's the same thing.
No, I see 4 lines without corners.
Okay. Not without corners. You see a square without corners, but not 4 lines without corners.
I see a square without corners.
Yes, it's better. So, what is the difference? It's okay? It's better again? So,
That's only 4 fingers. It's all five.
Thomas.
Okay. So let's think. Is it the same? This one, and this one. Is this the same?
No.
No.
The top one is a square. The second one is a square without corners, and the last one is a square without edges.
So why you mention a square? Yeah.
Because it's got 4 dots in the shape of the square.
Okay. This is also 4 dots.
It has 4 dots in the shape of the square.
Ah, so
So it's rounded.
you can see the shape without a figure. You see?
Yeah.
Okay, I will do a shape which is rather more complicated. So, for example, you don't have straight. There are many.
One. Okay. Ωραία.
I don't have 5 edges. Which one do you want?
Okay, so if I do this, draw it.
Okay.
Τα δύο αδέρφια κούνστα που μου έδειξε.
You know, you can sit here. It's better for you, so you will have the table.
Τώρα θα είναι καρακαλάκι παιδί.
Is that what it is? Okay, so I just want to show you something. You have a word, you have letters, you can use it in this frame with structure. So we said that one hand can have 5 fingers, but you can go from there but it's not the same here. No, this is not a cube. For the moment, it's not a cube. For the moment, it's only.
It's dots in the shape of a cube.
Yes, it's not exactly the same.
Yeah.
Correct? But in fact, it's also wrong. Because you can see also an hexagon with 2 dots inside. You see it? So, the idea is the following. You see what you get. And you don't get what you see. So, it's rather strange at first glance, but the idea is the following. Here, I have element.
It's our element.
Elements. Ready. Here, I have a structure. So, I want to find the difference. It's not figure.
Figures become arms.
Yes, with an arm here. So, you see the difference between shape and figure. So, for example, here I have the shape of a square, but it's not a square. Here I have the shape of a square, but not a square. Okay? So this one is a square. So for example, draw me the same thing with a triangle?
Oh, easy.
Huh? Draw me the same thing with a triangle. Not only this. This is correct, yes. Not this one. So, it's okay?
I'm ready.
I know. I'm just waiting for the others. Yes. It's not the same order. You need something else? Yes, correct. So, but don't do this for the dot, okay? This is a circle, this is a dot. This is different. Okay, so put me only dots, points. Okay, so for a triangle we have this. This is a triangle. This is the shape of a triangle. This is 3 dots in a shape of a triangle. It's okay? Okay. So this is easy. So remember this phrase. So write this. Okay? You see what you get. So now remember the problem is what do you see? What do you get? So
I see dots and I can try.
write this like this.
What? Is that what you do?
No, in the same order. You see the 2 dots here? Okay. So now we have this one. Okay. Can you draw me the same thing with the circle?
Yeah. Easy.
You will see it.
Αλέξανδρα, είναι.
You will see it.
It's in the 6 one.
Το πατοπουλέικο σκίζει.
Be careful. You have to be smart. So, imagine that I put a circle here. What is the next step? From here to here. Yes?
We cannot do it because it doesn't have any corners. We
So?
can't draw that corners. So it's just a full circle again.
No, that's what I did. It's you do a line with a gap.
But it doesn't have corners.
So
We brought out the corners.
Do you have corners? Yes or no? So we have 2 possibilities, not only one. We can define the circle as infinite corners or no corners. Okay? if you prepare this, so I will show you. I do this. You see it?
Yeah.
Okay, draw it.
Oh.
Oh, no.
If it's straight.
So we have a triangle, square, pentagon, an hexagon. Then I can continue this process until what? Until what? At the end, I will get what?
Something.
So, if I get a circle at the end, here I have 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay.
So, if the process is to remove the corner, then I decide that the circle is an infinite set of corners. The next will be empty. We agree?
Yes.
Yeah? So, for example, you try before, you put this, for example, you put this. This is not the same procedure.
No.
Okay, so this is not correct. But if we say that there is no corner, the next step will be what?
Half of it.
What?
You've halved it over there, haven't you? You've halved the circle in half, so you've made a C.
Yeah.
Nothing here. Okay? Everybody understood the process? So it was correct, okay? For one solution, it was correct for one solution, and you were both correct, but a quite different way. Huh? So, the idea is the following. This is a figure, this is a shape, this is the corner of the shape. So now, I will ask you, so what is a square? Be careful. Yes, you have to write. No, write. You write the solution, but you have to think about it. There's a problem? No? What is a square? So the answer is what? No. You write the answer.
Εσύ θα καθίσεις εδώ, εσύ θα καθίσεις εκεί. Εκεί, για να μπορείς να κουμπάς τα βλέπει.
So, for example, you see what I mean? You see the triangle? You know etymology? Etymology? No, you don't know?
Yes, I do.
What is it, etymology?
Etymology. Oh,
Yeah.
no,
Etymology.
It's the meaning and the history of the word. Okay? So, for example, you see here one word, many, or only letters. If you don't know this language, this is nothing. If you know it, it's something. If you know it quite well, it's two things. fact, a triangle means 3 angles. Okay? Right. So, how do you call this one? Yes?
Pentagon.
Okay.
Pen. You have it from the pen. So you have it at a pen.
But does it look like a pen? Yet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it's not a pen.
No, a pentagon.
So, we have a problem here. And what is the difference? So, I just want to explain you something. If you know only one language, only one, you have to say triangle, square, pentagon. Okay? But in fact, you are using many ideas from different languages. So, for example, you will see that the square is not normal. If you read a book and you see triangle, square, pentagon, this seems to be correct, okay? But in fact, there is no relation here with what? So, for example, they can read Greek, no?
A little bit. Yeah, okay. They're not the letters, they're not words.
It
But
will be
the-
simple, it's simple here. I will just put the idea. So, for example, here in Greek, triangle in Greek, you know?
Yeah.
Πες το.
Τρίγωνο.
Πώς το λένε.
Τρίγωνο.
Πες το, πες το, σε περιμένει.
You said only yes?
Answer.
No, it's correct.
Okay.
Because I asked him, do you know? Say yes.
Yes.
I don't say,
Say it.
say it.
Νόμιζα ότι περιμένεις απάντηση.
Yes, of course, of course. But he's smart, so he can do it.
Κύριε Λυγερέ,
Yes.
μπορούμε να διακόψουμε για λίγο γιατί έχουμε τον μπαμπά της Ιένας, θα παίξει το didgeridoo. Είναι εντάξει?
Okay, okay.
Για 5 λεπτά. Yes.
Ready? Okay.
Welcome. Let's give a hand to Mr. Buffett.
Come here, come here.
Γεια σου, γεια σου.
Yasu, Yasu.
Wow, is that a real didgeridoo?
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, that's a didgeridoo. Can everybody say Yama?
Yeah.
And Yama is also my language means Gya su. And Dutch?
So, yeah.
So it's called a didgeridoo, so I'd like to welcome you. So it's called a didgeridoo. In Aboriginal language we call it yiriki. Can everybody say yiriki? And why we call it didgeridoo? Because when we play we actually say the word didgeridoo. Sounds good? You want to have a listen?
Yes.
Hear the word didgeridoo?
Yeah.
So you want to hear some animal calls?
Yeah, me.
You want to hear the animal calls?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Some animal calls is from dingo. Everybody try that. That's my dingo. And the kookaburra.
Lovely.
You know what kookaburra is?
Yeah.
Can you say kookaburra? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Cuckoo, cuckoo. No.
That's a cuckoo bird. What a kookaburra. Everybody say kookaburra. Say it 5 times really fast. Yeah, and what about first up? Yeah, it's getting close. The kookaburra, ready? There you go. And that's some of the sounds of the didgeridoo. And one important thing when we're playing didgeridoo is called circular rhythm. So hold your hips together. Feet tipped up full of air. Now you've got to use your cheek muscles to push the air out. And at the same time now circulate air back through your ears.
What? That's
Suck
different.
air back through your ears.
Oh, can you do
But if you can't do that, you do it through your nose. And that's what we call circular rhythm. Thank you. Do you enjoy that?
Yeah.
Give you a big clap.
Thank you very much.
Any questions?
How long does it take? Sorry.
What is the didgeridoo made out of?
Oh, it's made just from Mother Nature. You'll see in the middle. Out in the dry lands, you'll get the termites. They mug into the middle, eat all the soft wood. Okay, but up in the Arnhem land, top end of Australia, the tree grows naturally like that. And what happens, it gets like a little fungus in the middle, and it turns into cancer, and then cancer eats all the way through the tree. Okay, and that's how you get a hollow. And then we come along, tap the tree, find out that it's nice and hollow, chop it off, take the bark off it, put some wax on the top, and then play.
Cool.
Yes, Crystal. You have a question? Hey? Hey?
I forgot.
Did you forget? Okay, we'll come back to you. Yes?
How long have you been playing the didgeridoo?
For about a week now.
And you.
Pretty good? No, I've been playing didgeridoo for about 30 years.
That's right.
It's been a long time. Remember your question, Crystal? No? Do you want to ask a question, Sienna?
No.
What does this mean on our face? Yes?
Paint.
Yes, and what does it mean?
Paint.
Yes, it also means it's a welcome sign, sign of good luck. A horseshoe. Aboriginal people, when we go to ceremony and song and dance, sometimes you wear your paint on your forehead. That means you come from the sunrise people, or from the top end people. Through it down below, it represents you come from the sunset people. Across the nose like that, it represents the islands, or the flatlands or the desert. Ones like that represents the mountain people.
So you're part of the mountain.
Yes. Pretty good? Yes.
We had the incursion and you said that it stick right tight to the neck up, and if it doesn't do that, it bangs them on the head. What is it called?
Which one's that?
I know what he's talking about. It grabs the legs, and then if it doesn't grab the legs, it hits them on the head.
That's called it's called a barang or the killer boomerang. Yeah. Or no. Yes, brother?
What's that?
How long does it take you to, like, if you're gonna learn the didgeridoo, how long would it approximately take to learn how to
How to get it probably, if you get taught the right way, maybe a day, and that's all about practicing. If you get yourself to read one day and then just keep on going. Yeah. And you'll learn every day all your life. Yes, Crystal?
Ξέχασε πάλι.
Yes?
I think Victoria has to say something. Has to ask her.
Yes.
Have you finished with that?
No,
Oh,
no.
okay, go.
I forgot.
You forgot. Victoria?
Yes.
How do you say your name in Afrikaans?
My name is Russell. Pretty easy?
Also,
My easier name is Wajiwalo Dumgotiani Bandaran Gumoroi. Wajiwalo, if I say Wajiwalo, Dumgo, Tiani Bandalan, Gumoroi. Wajiwalo Dumgotiani Bandalan Gumoroi. And that there is a very black snake. That's my time. And once again we say Yama, if I say Yama, so in our language we say Yama, it means Yasu.
Το ίδιο είναι.
Very good.
Γεια μας δηλαδή.
And very good beside Wadiwalo. Yes?
When women play the didgeridoo, if not wired, if they do wired.
Girls don't play the didgeridoo because it's part of the men's ceremony. It's part of the men's business. And out in the bush we have men's business and women's business. In between they have a thing called respect. So therefore, women respect the men and the men respect the women. And so women don't play the didgeridoo because basically it's a men's instrument. Good? Yep.
Do the women play any instrument?
Yes, they play the clapping sticks, also possum drums. Yes. And they sing better too than the men.
I learned about this in school, how the Aboriginals tried to fight. Do they fight anymore?
It depends where you are. Basically, you want to have a reason to have a fight. So if there's no reason, no fights.
Have you ever been involved with a fight?
No, never. Is that it? One more?
Me.
That's Christy, so she doesn't forget.
Yes, no.
Have you played any other instruments besides the didgeridoo?
Yes, I play guitar and also the drums.
I play the electric guitar at
Yeah,
home
cool.
for fun.
Yep. That's up the game. Okay, thank you boys and girls. Thank you sir, welcome to Beverly Hills.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
So the idea is the logic of language. So for example, in English you say triangle, square, pentagon. But in fact, you use different words. So trigonal, okay. Tetragono, pentagon. So what is the difference here? For example, if you speak only English, this is quite strange.
Excuse me?
Yes?
Oh, I just can't see.
Okay, this is strange. There is no correlation in the same, because you see here the angle, in fact, you see it here, but the angle here is gone. So it's difficult to explain to a child that angle is the same than gone. You see? But if you know that triangle is the same word with trigonal, and pentagon is the same with pentagonal, you will see something which is...
Πάνω, εκεί στον πίνακα δεξιά.
Oh. So, you see the difference? For example, there is always gono, and we change the prefix. So 3, 4, 5. So in fact, you can imagine the following words. Because it will be 6, for example. But remember the problem. We write 6, but this is an hexagon, and not 6. So, if you want to write an hexagon with the same word of a triangle, what you will say? No. My question is different. I want to say in another language the word hexagon using the idea of triangle. So, for example, you have 6, no? 6 angles. So you can imagine that the word 6 angle is the same with hexagon. So the idea is why we change. So, Another example. If I ask you here, what is a digon? Can you draw me a digon?
A dingo.
A digon.
A dingo.
Έχεις
The dingo.
υδρόγειο?
Έχουμε δίπλα υδρόγειο.
Όχι.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Έχω χάρτη όμως μαζί μου. Έχω γύρω, όχι, βάλεις όχι.
It's mine.
So, can you draw me the digon?
The dingo.
So, for example, imagine I put a point here, here, and here. I will have a triangle, no? Okay? No, I will draw. I will not draw it. Don't worry. Okay, but imagine I will have a triangle here. Okay? So in fact, I can have a triangle. This is a digon. You cannot draw a digon on a plane, but on a ball it's possible. So in fact, you can see here many digons. So the idea is the following. Sometimes you use words, but we know, realize that they have a logic. For example, how do you call this? What? A cat.
A kite.
I thought.
No?
It's a big, it's big.
Do you know the use of this dot?
Yeah.
It means that it's behind. Okay? So you answer to me with this, for example.
Κυρία, έχουμε εδώ το παιδί να
Α?
μιλήσει.
Yeah. Triangular pyramid.
Yes, but the correct name is it's correct, okay? But the most correct name is not this. Because you have to define. You say pyramid. What is a pyramid for you? Can you draw a pyramid on the board? Well, this is a pyramid, you know, for sure.
What kind? Square base. Oh. One is square base. Yeah, square base pyramid.
Okay? Draw it.
It's a square base pyramid.
You have to draw items, draw it.
You do the same thing.
Oh, I think I did that. Yes, I did.
Draw this.
On the board.
Yeah, I know. I finished it.
On the board, Zach. Copy it off the board.
I can do it.
Yes, correct. Correct.
I drew.
So, in fact, in a pyramid, you have 4 triangles, 1 square. And you told me that I should put a triangle, yes? If I put a triangle here, I will not get 4 triangles to go, no?
Did my best.
I will get how many?
Show me what you have. It's 3 good at.
Come on, guys. Just listen. Can you find it? It's easy, you will see. You have a square, okay? But you will put 4 triangles. It's okay? And you will close it.
Triangle.
Not
So
from
now,
that.
if you do
Do you draw that?
Yeah.
3. So if you have 3, you have 4 surfaces, no? 4. So in fact, this is a You know this word?
What does that say?
Yes, this is his name.
Lygeros.
Because this means 4. You know it, okay? And this means to face. So there are 4, okay? So, thank you. Draw this, please. So imagine now that we want to draw the following. The following will be what?
What? It would be
Yes?
which which one? the one that we said
So
was
again, don't worry. So I draw this one again. So I draw a triangle, another one,
up here.
and I put a connection, okay? So I mentioned the strange thing is that the following is only the cube.
Oh, it's a triangular-based pyramid. United triangle.
No. Because we mentioned that in fact it's this name.
That's a cube. That's a cube.
Okay, so draw it. So you see, here we have a problem with many languages, even in Greek. What is the correct name of the cube? Okay. You don't know for the moment, but see this one and see the following. The following is 2 pyramids. But since we have 2 pyramids, in fact, is an octa. No? This is English, you know?
Yes.
Also this. But it came from Greek. So, the difference, you see? So now, we want to create a language which is logic. If you have this, and I can So imagine here I have 4, okay? Here I have 8, 12, 20. And you see it's always the same word here. So this one should be something with edro and 6. But as we use tetra, octa, dodeca, ikosa, here we should put 1. Yes, correct. Hexahedron. This is more informative than just a cube. So the idea is the following. We use a cube for the word 3, but not for 6. It's a mistake. But you would say, who cares? We care. So for example, if I say 2 to the cube, this means this. Okay? Don't worry if you don't know this, but you know this. Okay, so in fact when I said something with this exponent, I will get this. But you see, there is no 6. Okay, so the idea here is to describe the shape and the figure. So this is correct, this is correct, 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 wrong, correct. This is logical. This is not. Because in fact they didn't see the relation of all these guys. So the 5 guys here are platonic shapes. In fact, not shapes, solids. And there are only 5. This is a theorem, but I don't need this for the moment. I just want to show you that if you are smart and if you are logical, you can see some errors even in the language, but you have to know at least 2 languages, not only one. The only one is very difficult to see the difference. So, for example, to see it correctly with the language, we will find something which is very nice. So, draw a cube, in fact, an hexagon. Okay? How many corners in a cube? Yes? 8. Okay. So, to be sure, this is the vertices. So, vertices 8.
Faces is 6.
So, faces 6. Okay.
Edges.
Edges.
12.
Okay. Now we are going to see a very nice property. It's due to other. He is a great mathematician from Switzerland. So he found the following. He said, if you do vertices plus faces minus edges, you will find 2.
8 plus 6 equals 14 minus 12 equals 2.
Yes? It's nice, no? So try to do the same thing with this one.
What?
How many vertices?
4.
So we put here 4. How many faces?
4.
Correct. How many edges?
6.
So
It would equal 2.
2. Correct. So do it for this one now.
Oh, okay.
No, oh my God. Just this one. Come on.
5 vertices.
How vertices? 6. Oh, don't count the faces. You see the name.
8.
And now the edges. Imagine, in mathematics, we love count without counting.
10. There's 10 edges.
No.
There's
Okay, do like this. Do this.
8 edges. 1, 2.
Okay.
How do you do
Yeah, practical.
You see that? I will do the same with you. So, for the specialist of pyramid, we have 1 here and 1 here. So, 4, 4.
There's 8.
And the connection is a square. So 4, 4, and 4. So 12. 12.
But how does it equal 12?
So now you do the operation, and you will find what? Yes? 12. So now you have to do 6 plus 8 minus 12 is equal to what?
6 is 2.
Yes, you see, we always find this. So this is a great idea. So I will show you now something rather strange. Don't worry if you don't know that, you will know it after. You don't worry for the teachers. Okay. So, for example, be careful, you have to be smart again. Okay? So, you two. Okay? So you can do it. So, I put only one dot.
What?
Only one dot, okay? Okay. And I ask you the following. Vertices is equal to what? Faces
1.
equal to what? And edges equal to what? So write it.
So if I don't... Vertices.
The boy or the girl who find this is very clever.
Vertices equals 9.
And you can do it.
Is it supposed to be E equals 1?
So,
Got it.
okay.
I was done.
What's the E again?
So, it's easy. Let your pencil, now right now, let your pencil. Okay. Let it. Come on, gang. Let it. So, how many vertices?
1. 0.
Let it. How many vertices?
1.
Of course, 1. 1. How many faces?
1.
Of course, 1. How many edges?
1.
Of course, 0.
What?
There is no edges.
1.
But, you see the formula? 1 plus 1 minus 0 is 2.
So you're like equals 2. That's what I put.
Okay, so
1
it's okay for this one?
plus 1 minus
Someone find it?
0.
Yeah.
Yeah, after me or before me?
I found it.
Okay.
I got it confused a little.
Yeah, a little bit.
I knew edges was 0, but then I changed it to 1, and I knew vertices was 1, then changed it to 0.
Yeah, yes.
But I
so-
still found out 2.
Okay.
I got the equals right, but I got
So,
the edges and vertices.
A new idea. So, remember, you have to be smart.
To do what?
Okay, so vertices, faces, edges. Write it. For this one. For this guy.
No, you're not.
So in fact, it's a way to be very, very logical and to use the word of our language to distinguish. Some new ideas.
0.
So, Vertices,
One.
correct.
Yes.
Faces,
One.
faces, 2.
Yeah. No way.
Yes, 2, guys, 2.
There's two faces.
Then the last one's one.
Because you have one face here,
Yeah.
and one outside.
Yay.
Inside,
I
outside.
thought it was a tradition.
No. So, face 2, H,
One.
1. You see the formula? Strange, no? It's okay. Also, so this is a big mind of Jura who find this idea. We are, right now, we are studying, in fact, topology. So don't topology. So this means what? This means the study of topos. Topology. You want to sit in? Oh, okay. I understand your problem. You prefer like this? Yeah? Okay. So the idea now is the following. If I have all these tools, maybe I can study the previous idea which I had before. So for example, you remember the tetrahedron? You remember? Yes? I will draw it again with a different way. And you have to see that it's the same. You see that it is the same? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Why?
Because before you the
Why this is the same with this?
it's because the same.
Yes?
It's that one but longer.
No, it's that one without the dot.
Looks like.
But it seems different, no?
Yeah.
No.
Yes, in fact, it's rather easy to show it. So imagine I have a triangle here.
Okay.
Triangle.
You want to do it? Yes, you want to do it?
Yes.
Okay, so let's do it. You go there. You go here. Sit down. You want? Correct. Right hand, touch him with your right.
You're right, touch me.
Yes, okay. So go here. Closer. Okay, closer. Okay, and you, him. Okay, you see the bases? Okay? Okay. No. Like this. Inside. Okay? So to be you see? You have to have another one here. So you can do it. You. With another one.
Yes.
Okay? You see it? So how many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay? Oh. Now, how many ages? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. now, imagine I want to draw them. Okay? So, what should I do? In fact, here I have a triangle, okay? I remove this triangle. I remove it. And this triangle, I put it outside your bottom.
What?
Yes, yes. Now it's here. The triangle is here. So now you are outside. Go outside. Do the same thing you. Okay. Touch them. This one. Okay. And this one has a problem. Okay. So now, in fact, I cut one faces and I put all the faces on the same level. So now, sit down. No, here. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Correct, correct. Okay, so he is here. It's you.
I'm the top of
You see you?
I see me at the top.
Okay. Here? Okay.
I'm a god.
No, exactly. You see you and you. Okay? So in fact this is the same. Why? Because
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Outside. Okay, you can sit now. If you make me hungry, I will put you as a cube.
No.
Yes, I will eat 8. So you see, this is the same. So, for example, to see that it is the same, I have 4 vertices, okay, 4 faces, and 6 edges. Okay? So now, I want from you to draw a cube with this idea. So, try to draw a cube with this idea. Can you stop me with it? Okay? Because you know.
Keep going.
This is a triangle.
So try to draw a cube.
Origin. Oh, don't worry.
No. This is a real one. I don't ask you to draw a cube like a, oh, okay.
Done.
So, for example, you draw a cube like this, okay? But I don't want this. I want to show you what I want. You draw a square, another square, you see?
In the same spot?
Yes,
Oh, bigger.
bigger. And you see now that this is a cube?
Wait. It looks like a hallway. That one looks like a hallway.
Yes, it's like the wall, but in fact,
Is this a cube?
can imagine
It's just fun.
that you are on the top one and you see the others. But in fact, the other one is here. So you see, with this idea, I can see things with only 2 dimensions. I don't need 3 dimensions to see the same thing. So, what is your idea? In fact, I changed the language.
What?
I don't use geometry, I use topology to show you the same thing. But now you can see what? How many vertices here? 8, of course. Okay. How many faces? Faces? How many faces? 6, correct. Because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah, I told you it was fair.
How many ages?
12.
12. This is the identification of a cube. That's all, folks. So, thank you. Try to learn more languages to have more efficient thoughts.
Thank you, Mr. Ευχαριστούμε, κύριε Λυγερέ.
That's good.
Ευχαριστούμε, κύριε Λυγερέ.